Big jobs report last Friday, inflation report today. How is this impacting mortgage rates here in North Texas? Well, let's talk about that and more in this midweek market report with the Grubbs mortgage team for Wednesday, August 10th. So last Friday, we got the big jobs report we were waiting for the month, seeing how many new jobs were added into the economy last month. And we got a blockbuster number coming in at 500,000 new jobs added into the market. So that had a big boost into the mortgage securities market. We saw rates take a little bit of a dip that day due to that big of a number. But over the weekend, as we all digested that number, we actually saw that more than 300,000 of those jobs were actually part-time jobs. People getting second and third jobs to help supplement income due to rising inflation. So now that's kind of taking some of the wind out of that big jobs number. We also saw in that report that there's been over 4 million people not returning back into the workforce for lingering COVID issues. Guys, that's 2.5% of our whole labor force that is not returning back due to COVID. So that's a big number there as well. So our jobs market is not as strong as we're looking at. And again, that's going to lead into that unemployment filing coming out tomorrow that we've been talking about that's been slowly creeping up on everybody. So this is something we're really going to want to pay attention to in regards to our inflation concerns. Today, we got that big inflation data report coming out, the consumer price index. That's one of the key measures the Fed really pays attention to in regards to making this decision. And that number came in flat, showing that inflation did not increase from the prior month. Now, we are still sitting at an 8.5% inflation level, but that's lower than estimates of it going up to a 9.1%. So this is obviously giving a good boost to our mortgage bonds, seeing interest rates take a little bit of a dip on that data. So let's take a look here at our mortgage securities market today. Let's see what's happening over the past week. So as you can see, mortgage rates have been climbing back up this week, which has been putting a little bit of relief towards our mortgage rates, and we've seen them take a little bit of a dip this week based on some of this data off that initial jobs report reaction from last Friday. So this is some great news. It's a good time to give us a call if you're looking at taking advantage of that home equity loan or locking in on that new home purchase. So give us a call. We're here to help with that free loan approval today, and we'll see you back next week.